How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop your Xbox from randomly turning off. So I've been getting a lot of requests for Xbox tutorials. So if you guys have any questions or comments regarding Xbox tutorials, if you want me to solve anything you're confused about, just leave those in the comments down below and I'll help solve them. So also, if you find value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stop your Xbox from randomly turning off. Just a little warning, I'm not an electrical engineer, so these are just tips. These aren't like proven solutions. I've read a bunch of these online and I think these are the best ways you can actually solve it. So the first one I just want to go over is just checking your power supply, because I read that your power supply plays a big part in obviously your console turning on, but it could actually be the issue of why it's randomly turning off. So first and foremost, unplug your power supply. So here's mine. Obviously, unplug it from the wall. I do this for 30 seconds to a minute. Man, I have a bunch of crap on here. Also, unplug this, connecting your power supply for a minute, and then disconnect it from your console as well. I would unplug everything, maybe like try to get the dust out of here. Maybe there's dust on here or in your console or something. Usually dust can be pretty notorious for causing your console to randomly turn off. It can make the power not come in directly to your console, kind of interfere with it. So definitely unplug everything regarding the power supply. Maybe like blow in here, get all the dust down stuff, blow in here, and after a minute, I'd reset it or turn the console back on. The second thing I would recommend you do is just hard resetting your console. If you guys don't know how to do that, I've made a million tutorials on it. It's wicked simple. There's nothing complicated about it. Let me just unplug all this stuff back in. I would literally just hard reset the console. Just hold down this button for roughly, I think it's like 10 to 15 seconds. So it's pretty easy. I mean, once it's on, you want to just like hold it down 10 to 15 seconds. It will hard reset. Usually like clears the cache of the console and kind of just like reboots it. So just do that. That's the second thing I would try. The third thing I would try, and this is also notorious regarding dust in your fans. It can cause, usually overheating can cause your console to turn off randomly. So obviously I'm not an expert on how to like undo your Xbox and check the fans, but usually if there's a lot of debris within your fan, which is inside the console itself, usually that can cause your console to overheat and force it to turn off because it's overheating too much. I also have a lot of dust in here, so I probably should clean this. Maybe get like some sort of vacuum or something, or a dustpan, or Swiffer or whatever, and try to like get all the dust out of here to the best of your ability. I'm not too sure to actually open the console and get access to the fan, but I'm sure there's tutorials of that on YouTube, and try to get all the dust out of the fan itself, and make sure that you don't have anything stacked on top of your console itself, because these are where all the fans are and everything, and it's trying to get hot air out. So definitely don't put anything on top of this. Make sure this is an isolated area with nothing on it or around it. So those are the three best tips I have on how you can stop your console from randomly turning off. Make sure to check those out and try them. If it doesn't work, I can make another tutorial on this. So just let me know, guys. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Go check out the Life Made Easy podcast, link down in the description below. I'm going to be uploading a new episode literally today, and then also Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't miss it. You can subscribe to Gaming Made Easy as well. We're at like 952 subs actually on that channel. We're shooting for 1,000, so go subscribe over there and help me get to 1,000 subs. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.